Yes, good morning, Nana. Today we are going to discuss minor and cofactor Besson and determinant based on some few problems. Next, characteristic equations. Next, some definitions: singular matrix, non-singular matrix. What is singular? What is non-singular? And a Hermitian matrix, Q-Hermitian matrix, and transpose of the conjugate matrix. What is a conjugate and what is transpose of the conjugate? Hermitian, Q-Hermitian, singular and non-singular. Those definitions we'll discuss today. After completion of these definitions, we'll go to the algebra of the matrices objective point of view. Up to now we discussed the subjective. Now here, after that, tomorrow onwards we'll discuss objective point of view. Okay, na? Now coming to yesterday I explained in the class, you have to find the minor. Minor of an element means the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. Again I am repeating, the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column in the given matrix is called the minor of Aij. Now you have to find the minor of -1. -1 lies in which row, which column? First row and the second column. First row and second column. So minor of -1. -1 equal to delete the first row and second column. Remaining elements you have to observe that. What are the remaining elements you have? 0, 5, -3, 3. Determinant you have to find it. 0, 5, -3, 3. Data of ABCD. Yesterday I explained. Data of ABCD is AD minus BC. Same formula you can apply. 0 into 3 0. Minus 3 into 5. 0 into 0 0. Minus into minus plus 5 3 is 15. So minor of -1 is 15. Next you have to find the minor of 3. 3 is the appears in the third row, third column. Third row, third column. So you can delete third row, third column. What are the remaining elements you have? 2, -1, 0, -2. Substitute on that determinant. 2, -1, 0, -2. Determinant you have to find it. 2 into -2 minus 0 into -1. -4 plus 0. That is the -4 is the answer. Copy these two. Second one, find the cofactors of 2 and -5 is asked. We know the cofactor of Aij. Cofactor of Aij equal to -1 whole power I plus j into minor of Aij. That formula you know already. So cofactor of 2. 2 appearing in the second row, second column. So second row, second column means in place of I is row position, j is the column position. -1 whole power 2 plus 2 into minor of 2. Minor of 2. That is a -1 whole power 4 into determinant of minor of 2 means it is lies in the second row, second column. So close the second row, second column. What are remaining here? -1, 5, -4, 3. -1, 5, -4, 3. -4 even number is plus. Determinant you have to find it. AD minus BC. -1 into 3, -3. Minus of minus plus 20. 20 minus 3 is 17 as the answer. Next cofactor of -5. -5 lies in the third row, second column. -5 lies in the third row, second column. So -1 whole power third row, second column. -1 whole power 3 plus 2 into minor of -5. So -4, 3 plus 2 is 5. -4 odd number is minus. Minor of -5 means you can close the second row, third column. Remaining have -1, second row, third column you have to close it. Remaining -1, 5, 1, -2. -1, 5, 1, -2. You can find the determinant. Minus into minus plus 2, -5. That is a minus of -3 equal to +3. Copy it. Coming to next question. Find the determinant of the following matrices. Find the determinant of the following matrices. First bit and second bit you can do the homework. First bit and second bit, these two problems you can do the homework. You can send after completion of the problem, whatever today I am giving the homework, those all you have to complete and send to my mobile number. I homework complete చేసి నా మొబైల్ నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి ఆ హోంవర్క్ని, ఓకేనండి. నా కమింగ్ టు థర్డ్ బిట్ డిటర్మినెంట్ అండి. 4, 5, -6, 2. So the determinant of 4 into 2, that is 4 into 2, minus of -6 into 5. So 8 plus 30, that is 38. Coming to fourth bit, I 0 0 minus I. So I into minus I minus 0 into 0, AD minus BC. I into minus I is minus I square minus 0. I square value have imaginary number. I is the imaginary number, so I square value is -1 minus 0. That is the +1 is the answer. Copy and do first and second bit homework. Coming to, you have to find the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. Already we discussed yesterday some problems, few problems I given homework. Now coming to again I am repeating the problem. Data of first problem A H G H B F G F C. With respect to first row I am taking A into, close the first row first column. Remaining, what is the remaining have? B F F C. B F F C determinant you can find it. Middle element you can take the opposite sign. Middle element you have to take the opposite sign. Plus is a minus h, you can take it. Close the first row middle column. What are remaining have? HF GC plus next G into, close the first row third column. Remaining, what are remaining have? HB GF. So this is a into determinant you have to find it. BC minus F square minus H into HC minus GF plus G into HF minus BG. Now you have to open the bracket. A into BC, ABC minus AF square minus H into H minus CH square minus into minus plus HGF plus GHF minus G into BG square. So ABC plus FGH plus FGH 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is the answer. Okay, now this one in the 1 bit will come second degree homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous equation represents a pair of straight lines, means this condition equal to 0. ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus H square equal to 0 will get. That is in the 1B, not in 1A. Okay, now actually this step అవసరం లేదండి. Don't write this step. For understanding purpose I written it now. If you want you can write find directly determinant. If you want, you have to find directly determinant. Coming to next problem. Say second bit. Find the determinant of the second bit they are asking. Second bit is data of ABC, BCA, CAB. You have to find. A into, close the row, close the column. First row, first column. Remaining determinant B into C minus A square. BC minus A square. Middle element opposite you have to take it. Minus B into, close the row, close the column. Remaining element determinant B into B. B into B. B square minus AC. plus third element plus C into close the first row third column, remaining element determinant you have to find AB minus C square. Now open the bracket. A into B, ABC, minus A into A square, AQ, minus B into B square, BQ, minus into minus plus ABC, plus ABC minus CQ. ABC plus ABC plus ABC, that is 3ABC, minus AQ minus BQ minus CQ is the answer. Now coming to next question. Third bit, 1, 2, minus 3 first row, second row 4, minus 1, 7, 2, 4, minus 6. You have to find determinant. 1 into, close the row, close the column. What is the remaining have? Minus 1, 7, 4, minus 6. Determinant you can find it. AD minus BC. Minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6. Minus 4 into 7, 28. Minus 2 into, close the row, close the column. What is the remaining you have? 4 into minus 6, minus 24. Minus 2 into 7, minus 14. Last, minus 3 into, close the first row, third column. Now you can do the determinant. 4 into 4, 16. Minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. రైట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ డిటర్మినెంట్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్గా రాయడానికి వీలవుతుందనా, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే ఇలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాత చేయండి. ఇది కొంచెం లెంతీ అవుతుంది. అన్నెసరీ మ్యాటర్, దిస్ అన్నెసరీ స్టెప్. సో డైరెక్ట్గా రాయడం అలవాటు చేసుకోండి. 6 minus 28 minus 22, minus 2 into minus 38, minus 3 into 18. So minus 22 plus 76 minus 54. 76 minus 76, that is 0. Determinant of the square matrix 0 means that matrix is a singular matrix. Determinant of the square matrix is 0 means that matrix is a singular matrix. Now coming to next one, fourth bit. Data 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. This is the 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 9, 2 square is a 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Now you can find the determinant. So this is the 1 into 9 into 25, 9 20 is a 180, 9 5 is a 45, 180 plus 45 225. Minus 16 16 ja 16 10 ja 160, 16 6 ja 96, 256. Minus 4 into 25 100. Minus 9 into 16, close the row, close the column. 9 into 16, 90 plus 54 144. 9 into, close the row, close the column. 16 4 is 64, minus 9 9 is 81. Do the calculation, we get the answer 225 minus 256, that is a minus 31. Minus 4 into minus 44, 9 into 16 17, minus 17. One 176 minus 184. Final answer you have minus 8. Copy the problem. Coming to next question. If the matrix A is given and det A equal to 45 is given, what if det A is given 45? Then find the value of x. Det A means 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 6 x equal to 0, 45. Now left side you can find the determinant, equate the 45. 1 into 3x minus of minus 3x minus of minus 24 plus 24. Remaining minus 0 and something 0 plus 0 and something 0 equal to 45. So 3x plus 24 equal to 45. Then 3x equal to 45 minus 24, right, 21. X equal to 21 by multiplication 3 goes right side, division, that is 7. So one thing you have to remember, whenever they given over the value of x, 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 6x. In a row, one element not equal to 0, remaining both are zeros. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ రోలో 1 ఉందన్న రిమైనింగ్ జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఈ ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలం తీసేసేయండి. ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలం డిలీట్ చేసేసి రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ డిటర్మినింగ్ అనుకోండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు det of 3, 4 minus 6x. సపోజ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఈ 1 ప్లేస్ లో a ఉందనుకోండి, in case in place of 1 you have the a is there, then directly that equal to a into det of, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, remaining element determinant you have to find. Not necessary you can write the 0 and something, 0 and something. Okay na? Do the copy the problem. Don't copy this part. Next definition, singular and non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be singular if determinant of the matrix is 0. A square matrix A is said to be singular if determinant of the matrix is equal to 0. Here I written the, if the determinant of a square matrix is 0, then it is called a singular matrix. ఒక స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ డిటర్మినెంట్ కనుక 0 అయితే దాన్ని సింగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అంటాం. అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ నాన్ సింగులర్. అదర్వైజ్ మీన్స్ అది నా సింగులర్ కాకపోతే రిమైనింగ్ నాన్ సింగులర్. అంటే డిటర్మినెంట్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే నాన్ సింగులర్ అవుతుందండి. డిటర్మినెంట్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే నాన్ సింగులర్, డిటర్మినెంట్ 0 అయితే సింగులర్ అవుతుంది. యూ షుడ్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ డెఫినేషన్. ఇఫ్ సపోజ్ ఏ ఇస్ సింగులర్ అయితే ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ కూడా సింగులర్ అవుతున్నానా? ఏ సింగులర్ అయితే ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఆల్సో సింగులర్. ఏ ఇస్ నాన్ సింగులర్ అయితే ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఆల్సో నాన్ సింగులర్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే det of A equal to det A transpose. Det of A equal to det A transpose properties ఉన్నాయి. I will explain those properties after completion of first exercise. Algebra of matrix objective కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాను. ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ డిటర్మినెంట్స్. ఓకే అండి. ఏ ఇస్ నాన్ సింగులర్ అయితే ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ గా నాన్ సింగులర్ అవుతుంది. ఏ సింగులర్ అయితే ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ సింగులర్ అవుతుంది. అయిపోతుందా? నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి. ఇఫ్ ఏ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, if A is a singular matrix is given, singular means obviously det A equal to 0. Det A means that is the det of A matrix 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 lambda equal to 0. Determinant you have to find 8 into 7 lambda minus 16 minus or minus middle element opposite you can take it plus 6 into minus 6 into lambda, close the row, close the column, minus 6 into lambda, minus 6 lambda, 2 into minus 4, minus 8 plus minus or minus plus 8, plus 2 into close the row, close the column, 6 4s are 24, minus 14. Finally, lambda value will get, you have to do the calculation, we get the lambda value 3. Copy the definition and problem. See, characteristic equation. Characteristic equation by using this concept. This is not in the intermediate concept. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ కాదండి. ద ఆబ్జెక్టివ్కి మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాము. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్లో క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చి మనం సెకండ్ ఎక్సైజ్ 3 పాయింట్లు తీసాము. ఏఎన్ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇచ్చేసి దెన్ ఫైండ్ ఏక్యూ మైనస్ 3a² మైనస్ 4a ప్లస్ 5i ఈక్వల్ టు 0 సంథింగ్ యూ హావ్ టు ప్రూవ్ దట్. అలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ చేస్తామండి. ఏఎన్ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 2/2 ఇస్తే గెట్ ద క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ డిగ్రీ వస్తుంది. ఏనే 3/3 ఇస్తే గెట్ ద క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ థర్డ్ డిగ్రీ వస్తుంది. ఆ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి మనం ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అప్లికేబుల్ ఫర్ ఐపీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ పరంగా అయితే మామూలుగా A² AQ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటానన్న. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఇది యూజ్ చేస్తాము. చాలా ఈజీగా ఉండే కాన్సెప్ట్. ఏ అనే స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయితే ఇఫ్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఎనీ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ n/n, n rows n columns ఉన్నాయి, దెన్ ద క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ det of a minus lambda equal to 0. Det of a minus lambda equal to 0. అగైన్ రిపీట్ చేసిన ఏ అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ n/n ఉంది, n rows n columns. Then determinant of a minus lambda equal to 0 is called the characteristic equation. This equation takes in the form of lambda power n minus beta 1 into lambda power n minus 1 plus beta 2 into lambda power n minus 2 plus and so on minus 1 whole power n into beta n into I equal to 0 will get. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Beta 1 is the trace of the given matrix. Say trace of the given matrix means sum of all diagonal elements. Sum of all diagonal elements. Beta 2 is the sum of the minus of the leading diagonal elements. Beta 2 is the sum of the minus of the leading diagonal elements. I will explain in the problems again. Like that we'll get the beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 and so on. Beta n are the constants. Beta n is the determinant of the given matrix. We don't know n/n determinant. That is the reason I am explaining that. Now coming to every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Det of a minus lambda equal to 0, it takes in the form of lambda power n in minus beta 1 into lambda power n minus 1 plus beta 2 into lambda power n minus 2 plus and so on minus 1 whole power into beta n into lambda I equal to 0. Every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Now A is a square matrix. A satisfies this characteristic equation. In place of lambda, you have to substitute the A. That is a power n minus beta 1 into a power n minus 1 plus beta 2 into a power n minus 2 plus and so on minus 1 whole power n into beta n into I equal to 0. Up to this is the definition and note point. Now coming to A is given 2/2. What is the way you have to find the characteristic equation? You can see. Characteristic equation ఎలా ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం ఫర్ 2/2కి 3/3కి. ఆబ్జెక్టులు యూజ్ చేస్తాను, సబ్జెక్టులు అయితే ఇది యూజ్ చేయకూడదు, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సిలబస్లో లేదు కాబట్టి. ఏ అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 2/2 a11, a12, a21, a22 ఇచ్చాడండి. ఇట్స్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ det of a minus lambda equal to 0. a minus lambda అంటే det of a minus lambda equal to 0. లాంబ్డా అంటే I అంటే 1001 సబ్ చేసుకొని అంతా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మీకు సెకండ్ డిగ్రీ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుందన్న. సారీ, up to you have to copy this one. I will explain this problem again. See this one. A నే 2/2 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇచ్చాడు నాన్న. A minus lambda అంటే చూడండి. What is A minus lambda? అంటే det of a minus lambda అంటే a minus lambda. A is 0. A is what? A అనేది ఏంటండి? a11, a12, a21, a22 minus lambda into I అంటే 1001. డైరెక్ట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ a11 minus lambda, a12 minus 0 means a12, a21 minus 0 means a21, a22 minus lambda. దీని డిటర్మినెంట్ కనుక్కోండి. a minus lambda delta of A minus lambda I equal to 0. That means delta of A11 minus lambda, A12, A21, A22 minus lambda equal to 0. Then determinant find out చేస్తే వచ్చే మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది A11 minus lambda into A22 minus lambda minus A21 A12 equal to 0. దీన్ని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తే మీకు వచ్చేసల్లా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే A11 into A22 minus lambda into A11 minus lambda into A22, that is the minus of this is lambda into A11 plus A22 minus into minus plus lambda square minus A21 A12 equal to 0. A12 minus A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 is get A, obviously that is get A, minus this is the plus minus lambda into this is the trace of A, sum of diagonal elements plus lambda square equal to 0. Delta A into I you have to write equal to 0. That only you have A1, this you can take the beta 1, this you can take as beta 2. So the equation, characteristic equation here you got this one, lambda square minus beta 1 into lambda plus beta 2 into I equal to 0. Alternate plus and minus you have to take it. Every characteristic equation satisfies its every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. In place of lambda you have to substitute the A square minus beta 1 into A plus beta 2 into I equal to 0. Where beta 1 is the trace of the matrix. Trace of the matrix means sum of diagonal elements. Beta 2 is the determinant of the given matrix. This is the we get A11 A22 minus A21 A12. This is for 2 by 2. This is called the characteristic equation. Now if it is given 3 by 3, then 3 by 3 means AQ will get third degree equation. AQ minus beta 1 into A square plus beta 2 into A minus beta 3 into I equal to 0. Where beta 1 is the sum of the diagonal elements, trace of the matrix. Beta 1 is the trace of the matrix, that is A11 plus A22 plus A33. Beta 2 is the sum of the minus of the leading diagonal elements. Sum of minus of the leading diagonal elements. A1 minor. What is A1 minor of A11? Delta of A22, A23, A32, A33. A22 minor. Close this first, second row, second column. Remaining A11, A13, A31, A33. Plus close the third row, third column. A33 minus A11, A12, A21, A22. I will explain simple problems now after completion of this concept. Beta 3 is the delta of the given matrix. That is this one. Copy this concept first. Don't copy this. This concept only for objective, not for subjective. Today is the last class for subjective. Next class onwards we will discuss the objective. Copy note 1 and note 2 and note 3. coming to two problems are given. One more problem is 2 by 2, one more problem is 3 by 3. You have to find the characteristic equation they are asking. So given A matrix 2 by 2, so beta 1 is the characteristic equation is A square minus beta 1 into A plus beta 2 into I equal to 0. What is a beta 1? Beta 1 is the sum of the diagonal elements, means trace of the matrix, that is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Now you have to find the beta 2. Beta 2 means determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix, that is 2 minus 2, 2, 3. We get 6 minus of minus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. So equation 1 becomes A square minus 5A plus 10I equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. This is in the form of A minus lambda equal to 0. That means in place replace A by lambda, lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 10I equal to 0. That is the delta of A minus lambda equal to 0. Every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Now coming to next question. A 3 by 3 matrix is given. Then the characteristic equation A cube minus beta 1 into A square. Alternately can take plus or minus beta 2 into A minus beta 3 into I equal to 0. Now you have to find the beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Beta 1 is the sum of the trace of A. Trace of A means sum of diagonal elements, that is 3 plus into minus 2 plus 3. 6 minus 2, 4. Now you have to find the beta 2. Beta 2 is the sum of minus of diagonal elements. That is data of first diagonal. 3 diagonal, 3 minus you want to find. Minor of 3 means you have to close the 3 corresponding row, corresponding column. Remaining elements 2, minus 2, 4, minus 1, 3. Minus 2, 4, minus 1, 3. Plus minor of second row, second element. Close the second row, second column. What are the remaining have? 3, 4, 1, 3. 3, 4, 1, 3. Plus. Next, close the third row, third column. What are the remaining elements have? 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2. 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2. Now you can find determinant. Minus 6 plus 4 plus 9 minus 4 minus 6 plus 4. So the final will get 4 get cancelled, 9, 13 minus 12. That is 1. Now beta 3 is the determinant of data of the given matrix, that is the 3 minus 4, 4, 1 minus 2, 4, 1 minus 1, 3. So we get that is 3 into minus 6 plus 4. Middle element opposite plus 4. Minus is the plus 4 into 3 minus 4 plus 4 into minus 1 plus 2. That is a 3 minus 6 plus 4 is a minus 2. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 4. That is a minus 6. Beta 3. This is a beta 2. Therefore equation 1 becomes A cube minus beta 1 into A square plus beta 2 into A minus beta 3 into I equal to 0. What is the beta 1 value? You have 4. Substitute in this equation. A cube minus 4A square. Beta 2 is 1. 1 into A is A minus 6. Minus beta 3 is minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6I equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. Copy that problem. Every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Next class onwards, I will show the objective Nana. Whatever given the concepts, everything you have to copy and practice the problems. If you have doubts, you can make a call to my cell phone number 9703010007. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే దీని నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి. ఓకేనండి.